Just getting ready to now. Gonna blow off a car and then wipe it down, and then we are going to be spraying. So stay tuned, and yeah, let me get straight to it. Would you guys don't mind to hit the like button for me, please? You know, it'll help me out a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Morning, guys. Just getting ready to spray the corner. Drying off the dust. Giving it a quick wipe. And then we're going to be spraying this car. Gotta get it done by tomorrow. Nice cup of coffee, guys. Yeah. Today I'm going to be Wonder Woman. Yep. How you people doing on this beautiful morning? Yeah, I'm today Wonder Woman. No more Spider-Man. Wonder Woman now. So guys, it's 2K. It's a one-stage paint. It's 2 parts. What does it say? 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts paint. 1 part hardener. Okay, that's 2K white. You can see 2K white. And then for the hardener, the same thing. 2K fast hardener. It's very cold here, so I've got to get this paint dry before it becomes evening again, otherwise it becomes moist. And then you get all these watermarks on it like fish eyes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And then for my reducer, also 2K thinnest reducer. The spray gun, I'm using the aircraft. It's a, what is this? It can take up to 4 bars stainless steel nozzle needle. It's a 1.4 nozzle. It's a HVLP, high flow gun. So yeah. So this is the bad boy I'm using today. As you can see. I'm just using a normal cup, measuring cup, but I also use my ruler, my measuring ruler. So see guys, my measuring ruler. So quick tip I want to give you guys quick. If you got one of these filter cups, okay, this is to catch all the dirt in your paint when you throw it in your gun. If I am you, the best tip I can give you guys, you see this little guy here? See this guy? It goes in here. See? It fits into there. Leave it out. Take it out. Put it away. If you got these, use this instead. Because this sometimes restricts your flow from your paint coming out. So I suggest you just leave this out. It's just a quick tip. But yeah, if you got one of these filter cups, just throw straight in your cup with this and you're all way to go. Okay guys? And always before you use your gun, clean it out. Okay? Clean your gun out with reducer or thinners. Okay? Spraying with a dirty gun. Okay? See? Clean it out. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a 1.4 tip. Okay? I prefer spraying with a 1.3 tip. But unfortunately, my tip broke. So now I've got to spray with a 1.4. And always make sure that these holes on the side and here, these holes on the sides are open. Okay, you don't want them blocked because you're not going to get a decent football pattern. And these little fine little holes inside of here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But they're very tiny. Make sure they're open. Otherwise, when you get to go and spray, you're going to have a boo-boo on your paint job. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you guys just watch or do you guys do work from home? Or what do you guys do? Almost there, guys. Almost there. One more coat. One more coat. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's looking good, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a lovely day or evening or morning, whatever the case is. But I'm out of here.